Hello there, pear aficionados. Today, we're embarking on a juicy journey through the world of pears. Get ready to slice into some sweet facts. Let's kick things off with a bite-sized history lesson about pears. Originally hailing from Asia and prized by ancient civilizations, pears have ripened into a beloved fruit enjoyed worldwide. But it's not just their delicious taste that makes pears special, they're packed with health benefits too. Pears are a great source of dietary fiber, vitamin C and K, and antioxidants. They promote digestive health, boost the immune system, and even support heart health. So, how many pears should you chomp on to enjoy all these juicy benefits? Eating one medium-sized pear a day can help you maintain a balanced diet and reap the maximum health benefits. Now, let's peel back the layers and learn how to pick the perfect pear. Look for pears that are firm yet slightly yielding to gentle pressure near the stem. Avoid ones with bruises or soft spots. Pro tip: pears ripen from the inside out, so check the neck for ripeness. If it gives slightly, it's ready to enjoy. Whether you're baking, poaching, or enjoying them fresh, pears add a touch of sweetness and nutrition to any meal. And there you have it. Pears, a tasty slice of history, brimming with health benefits and endless culinary possibilities. Thanks for joining us on this perfect adventure. Remember to savor those pears and embrace their delicious benefits. Until next time, stay tuned for more fruity facts and pearlicious fun. Until then, keep enjoying those sweet, juicy pears.